Exercise, a balanced diet, sleep, puzzles and learning new skills can help. It is possible to rejuvenate the brain. Exercise, a balanced diet, sleep, puzzles and learning new skills can help. Meditation and yoga can help manage stress, and it's also important to reduce loneliness with social activities. First, let's unravel the basic knowledge of the brain. Brain structure and function. The brain is an important part of the central nervous system and consists of three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum plays a central role in controlling perception, thinking, and movement, and is divided into the left and right hemispheres. The left hemisphere is responsible for language and logical thinking, while the right hemisphere is responsible for creativity and spatial awareness. For this reason, the cerebrum is responsible for complex information processing and is deeply involved in our knowledge and emotions. The cerebellum is responsible for coordinating movements, maintaining balance, and smoothing body movements. It also contributes to the learning of motor skills. The brainstem manages life-sustaining functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure, and is responsible for vital functions as the center of the autonomic nervous system. Information transmission is carried out by nerve cells, neurons, which connect through synapses. Now let's look at the anatomical illustration of the cerebrum. Brain aging process. The aging process of the brain has a variety of effects and causes significant changes in the cognitive functioning of individuals. First, as we age, the volume of the brain decreases, and so does the number of neurons. This loss of neurons can cause neurotransmitter imbalances, which in turn negatively affects cognitive function. Specifically, symptoms such as memory loss, slow reaction time, and distraction are likely to appear. In addition, brain aging is also a factor that increases the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. These diseases have a serious impact on cognitive abilities and social interactions in daily life, so early action is important. The mechanisms that promote brain aging are intricately intertwined with genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. For example, stress, irregular lifestyle, lack of exercise, and unbalanced nutrition can have an impact. By understanding these factors and adopting the right lifestyle habits, it is possible to maintain brain health and slow down the aging process. Now, let's take a look at an amyloid PET image of the brain and an MRI image of Alzheimer's. Now, let's figure out how to rejuvenate the brain. Regular exercise. Regular exercise is very important for brain health. Aerobic exercise, in particular, includes jogging, cycling, and walking, which provide oxygen to the brain and improve blood flow. This stimulates the secretion of nerve growth factor, BDNF, which aids in the growth and survival of nerve cells. BDNF increases brain plasticity and contributes to learning and memory. On the other hand, strength training also has a positive effect on the brain. Studies have shown that muscular exercise not only improves overall health, but also contributes to maintaining and improving cognitive function. Especially in older adults, strength training may reduce the risk of dementia. Thus, regular exercise is an essential part of brain rejuvenation. Aerobic exercise and muscle training exercises are necessary for rejuvenation. Diet and brain rejuvenation. A balanced diet is very important to supply the brain with the necessary nutrients. In particular, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants contribute significantly to brain rejuvenation. Omega-3 fatty acids are mainly found in fish, especially salmon and tuna, nuts, and flaxseed oil. These fatty acids maintain the structure of the brain and facilitate the communication of nerve cells. Omega-3 fatty acids have also been shown to reduce inflammation and prevent cognitive decline. Especially in the elderly, omega-3 fatty acids intake may reduce the risk of dementia. Antioxidants are abundant in fruits and vegetables, nuts, and whole grains. These reduce oxidative stress in the body and protect brain cells. In particular, the antioxidants found in berries and green tea have been shown to improve memory and learning. In this way, by keeping a balanced diet in mind, you can expect to provide your brain with the nutrients it needs and rejuvenate your brain. Displays illustrations of typical foods containing omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Rejuvenate your brain with brain training. Brain training is an effective means of rejuvenating the brain. As we age, cognitive function and memory may decline, but this can be prevented by doing brain training. First, it's important to incorporate puzzles and quizzes as part of your brain training. Sudoku and crossword puzzles can help you develop logical thinking and problem-solving skills. These activities activate the brain and stimulate neural circuits. In particular, regular challenges increase the brain's ability to process new information, which leads to improved memory. Learning new skills is also an important part of brain training. Playing a musical instrument or learning a new language is a very good stimulus for the brain. This promotes brain plasticity and leads to the formation of new neural connections. Language learning, in particular, has the effect of improving memory and comprehension. Try Sudoku and crossword puzzles. Rejuvenate your brain with quality sleep. Quality sleep is essential for brain rejuvenation. Sleep is an important time to keep your brain healthy and supports a variety of functions. During sleep, the brain organizes information and goes through the process of consolidating memories. This process is called memory consolidation and is especially effective in deep sleep, non-REM sleep. Getting enough sleep can improve your learning ability and memory, and keep your brain looking younger. Sleep is also involved in the detoxification of the brain. During sleep, the brain excretes waste through its glymphatic system to keep nerve cells healthy. This makes it possible to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Brain cleanliness is also important for maintaining cognitive function. In addition, a good night's sleep can help manage stress. A good night's sleep helps maintain normal levels of the stress hormone cortisol and provides mental stability. By reducing stress, you can slow down the aging of the brain. As you can see, a good night's sleep is an essential part of brain rejuvenation. Here is an image that depicts the detoxification of the brain during sleep. The blue light fluid flowing around the brain symbolizes the glymphatic system, providing a visual representation of how it removes waste products. Rejuvenating the brain with stress management. Stress management is important for brain rejuvenation. There is a lot of stress in modern society, and if properly managed, it is possible to maintain brain health and slow down aging. Prolonged stress causes an increase in the stress hormone cortisol in the brain, which reduces the function of the hippocampus. This can impair memory and the ability to learn, and can also cause the death of nerve cells. There are several ways to manage stress. Relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga, relax the mind and body and reduce stress. These balance neurotransmitters in the brain and improve mood. Display illustrations of relaxation techniques. This is a person who takes a 4-7-8 deep breath. In a calm atmosphere, I concentrate on my breathing in a relaxed position. It is an image of a person meditating in nature. It is a person in a yoga pose in the forest. Would you like to keep your brain working forever and improve your cognitive function?